so miren, ya traemos la mamalona. We're here at Velocity Parts and Performance. El cuz no está, dice que le hablemos ahí. ¿Era otro GTO cuz?
Yeah.
Ah, no, no. Ah, sí está. ¿Y luego ese ahí?
Por si acaso no estoy.
No, mames.
The door is closed.
¡Deme, boy! ¿Ya viste la mamalona?
I seen it, güey. Like half a truck. Somebody just beat you to it, man, when you came around.
Oh, to that spot? Yeah,
Yeah.
It's hard to park the long ass truck anyway. That's what you put on Instagram? About you gutting it out?
Yeah, that's it right there. Yeah, it's on. You didn't guys? Damn it, boy. We out here.
Mira.
Check it out. What are these for, like a go-kart o qué? Little bitty wheels, ¿qué?
¿Una cartilla o qué?
Mira. Damn.
Esos, güey.
No pesa nada, no. It'd be good. See what else Velocity got out here. Para la LT, the one I got on my truck.
Oh, yeah.
And la pinche OG. Harley intakes. These are on back order. I don't know how the hell he's got one.
Holy, that's the test.
Damn it, boy. Let's see what else we're gonna take from here. What do you need? What do you need? Damn it, boy. So we're here with Velocity because he's gonna help us with the Ford build. It's gonna be on. It's on. Y'all seen the shout out Beto gave me on his Instagram? Y'all saw what we put. So it's on. October Truck Madness is gonna be racing all day. When he say it was October 9th, right?
16, 16. But a lot of people say it was on Sunday.
¿Cuándo es el show de the gas,
October 15th.
No,
October 15th.
Hey, that's my birthday.
You better be out there. So that's his birthday. We gotta go out there. We can't lose on your birthday, way.
I know.
I'm telling you right now. So first time we talk to Russell, we're gonna have to take care of the customers. Like, get it on, guys. So we're here with Russell from Velocity, and Russell says he's gonna make that thing fast. So what's gonna happen, Russell? What's gonna happen, Russell? What are you gonna do to that stock motor?
All we're doing is you're dropping it off, and then you're gonna pick it up.
That's it.
That's it.
Okay. But now he's gonna do all the internal.
We're doing well, we're gonna keep the stock motor, and then we're doing the billet oil pump gears, billet sprocket, because that's the weak point on those motors. So if the motor doesn't blow, then you probably break the sprocket, and then the oil pump gear, and then your engine blows because of that. So it's just to get the most out of the stock motor.
All right, guys. After that, we're gonna take it back to the shop. Jared's gonna fabricate a twin turbo kit. We're gonna bring it back to Russell so he can do the tuning.
The fuel system and the boost controller and the watt box, all the other electronics.
It's gonna be. Did you order the race seat already, cuz?
Yes, I did.
The race seat is on the way. Carbon fiber, okay?
I didn't order that one. I have another one, but
We need lightweight. You see how we're like good, that motherfucker? Come on, we're gonna show Russell how we got it. It's a one. We help you, Omar. What do you need, sir? Welcome to Velocity Parts and Performance.
More canisters, DOD.
You only got one. You only got one.
Got future builds.
A la verga, quiere DOD for future builds. Ándale. Alright, I'm gonna have a good day, my brother.
See you later.
Estamos good.
alright, bro.
You know,
TR6.
Alright, Russell, so check it out. Whose truck is this? You pre-owned it? Damn it, boy. Se mira como de Oscar, bro.
Pero más que Oscar stock.
Look at that one nice. Alright, so this is what we got.
He's gutted. Hey, pues quítale los headlights y ponle una lámpara ahí mejor, ¿no?
Lo que sea, whatever you need for weight reduction. Check it out, Russell. 5.0, ready to go. Of course, we gotta clean it up.
It needs a good cleanup. Need some good degreaser. Una buena lavadita. Man, it's crusty. It's crusty, but it's gonna be fast.
Check out the interior.
You got them white seats.
Ready for that, Russell.
Cascarón.
We're going all out with it, Russell. If this ain't the fastest Ford, wow, then Russell has failed us. If this is not the fastest Ford. Oh shit, you heard him? He's not gonna fail, he said.
I ain't gonna fail.
It's completely gutted. It's like an egg, but just a shell.
Yeah, that's true.
Nothing in it. It's just
It's an egg with 2 turbos.
the shell and 2 turbos. This is gonna fly. And then in the back, cool lightweight reduction. We have enough space here for the fuel cell. We got enough space over there for the cap sauce. Shout out to Dunk Master. We got for the battery. Other than that, I wanna do the roll cage and I want the pillars to come down here. Check it out.
It's gonna be easier to work on it.
Mira.
And then burn out para arriba.
Oh, mira. No, we're gonna put a little more. Just so what you think, Russell? Lightweight, huh?
Oh yeah.
Paper light.
Paper light. They got lights though. Take off the lights, other lights.
No,
Córtale el techo.
So yeah, guys, we're gonna unload it. Russell's gonna start working on it. Like I said, we're gonna pick it back up and it's gonna be fast forward.
Oh yeah.
So it's gonna be us racing Dongmaster. We're gonna race Beto because he did a call out. We're gonna race Frank, Tito,
All the 4x4s.
Demonology, Midnight.
Te quieren.
Everybody. It's all for fun though. It's all for fun. It's all gonna go down at the show October Truck Madness. Like I said, guys, if I went to the last show in April, October is the show to go to because we're gonna be out there with these racing trucks. It's gonna be an all time of the night. That Russell?
Oh yeah.
Russell's gonna be out there with truck as well, so it's gonna be good.
10-second.
It ain't no 10-second truck. Oh yeah, it's a 10-second truck. It's gonna be an all time of the night. You ready, Russell?
Oh yeah.
I know it's gonna take you to finish the motor work so we can get on the twin turbo kit.
15 minutes.
All right, guys. So we're just gonna leave it right now and then come pick it up now. So yeah, it's gonna take them a couple of weeks, but it's gonna be a badass.
Yeah, no, but we're gonna do the pump gears, and while we're there, I'm gonna start mounting like the bottle for the CO2 watt box. I'm gonna still do like avanzar un poco, so. And then once you do the turbo kit, bring it back, button it up, don't tune it, turn it up.
Because we gotta do a lot of testing before the show. We gotta do a lot of
There's gonna be a lot of track testing on it.
yeah. Get it dialed in so we can get the max power on it. It's gonna take us a while. It's gonna take us some time, but we're gonna get it there at that show.
Oh yeah.
Get it, Russell. Unload it. Yeah, my boy. ¿Cómo ve el build, man? ¿Va a estar al 100 o no?
Al 120.
Damn it, boy. So we weren't playing, ¿verdad, Vargas?
Yes, sir.
It's time.
We on.
It's on. The best of the best is expected for this truck. We got precision turbos coming, nitrous outlet. We got who else, right? Vast with the suspension is gonna be on. Of course, velocity, parts of performance, and this Ford should be the fastest of the fastest. The King Cobra.
Damn it, boy.
Guys, Russell gave me a headache. Now he's like, we gonna make this truck the fastest, right?
You're pretty rowdy.
No, it's gonna take a while, but it's gonna get there. Fastest
King Cobra.
It's gonna be the King Cobra because it's gonna be the fastest of the fastest of the fastest. Hopefully. Let's get her unloaded. Oh boy.
Damn it, boy.
Se siente bien livianita, güey.
Hola. Ya te pasa, güey.
Es
Una
que-
vuelta de la calle, ya. Quedas allá torcido.
It's ready for the race it.
¿Y el que va al racing qué?
El Racy.
Race it.
Ah,
Yeah.
que para racing. Sí, pues está echando maromas dentro de la troca, echando el go.
I try to figure out all the cluster, güey.
No, pues gracias, güey.
¿Eh?
Gracias.
¿Por qué?
Pues hiciste el desmadre, tú la tengo que arreglar yo.
Velocity, parts and performance.
This ain't performance, this is desmadre de alambre. This ain't no performance.
Mira, esto es la culpa a Barrios y al dar, güey.
Ahora pagarlo todo bien. ¿Quieres?
Damn it, boy. Russell said he wants more gutting.
More gutting, more.
Damn, güey, no mames.
Vamos a meter
¿Qué
un
pedo?
10-inch hole así.
Holy macaroni. We're gonna cut the whole thing off. Fully
Al
gut.
volante, güey. You don't need it. Just go straight. We'll lock it up.
Sheesh. It's gonna be our full race truck, guys. I don't think we're gonna take off these doors, put some fiberglass doors and something, ¿verdad?
Yeah. Carbon fiber.
I love you. Let's fade it.
Oh,
Velocity
yeah,
sponsor.
Yeah,
Que salga ahí. Velocity sponsor.
I don't know about the last part.
What's up, guys? Sorry to interrupt your program. I'm just here to let you guys know that this weekend is the last weekend for you guys to get entries for the wheel giveaway. Like I said, we're gonna end the wheel giveaway this week, and you still have all next week for the truck, and that is it. So if you guys want to get entries for the wheels and the truck, make sure to shop right now. So you're gonna be able to pick from any of the wheels we have in stock. Make sure to hit the link on the first comment, and it's gonna take you directly to the website. Every $10 you spend gives you 20 entries to win the wheels and 20 entries to win the truck. Shop now. It ends this Sunday at midnight. Day 2. What is this? What is this? What's up, guys? Your boy Freddy back with another video. Check it out. Holy macaroni. We got us a QA1 suspension here at the shop, and of course, it's for the green machine, guys. Now, what's in it? I don't know, but we will figure it out. Probably not on this video, because we ain't got time. But on a different video, we're gonna open this baby up and see what all we got for the green machine. What the hell? Guys, I got attacked. Also, we got the turbo right here, and then we got the red turbo over there. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna grab the keys for the other red turbo. Damn, the weather feels good outside. And we're gonna go test it. Damn it, boy. We also got Keith over here working on the boxes. Custom one for this car right here. Y JR y Vargas, mírenlos. Así los quería encontrar, vale.
Acabamos de comer, vale. ¿Qué quieres, hombre?
Valió verga. Deme, boy.
Le encargamos una comida a comprar ketchup. Tiene 3 horas y no ha llegado. Ya mejor Vargas fue y trajo Subway.
¿Dónde fue, Cacho?
¿Qué atreve de comer? No sé para esto.
¿A dónde fue?
No sé.
Sí, cierto, ya tiene un ratote que no llega, güey.
Sí.
Háblale, ¿no le habrá pasado algo?
Ya lo cagó Darwin.
¿Qué le digo?
Que ya iba a venir.
Que se quedara con el dinero. Iba a ir a comprar algo y le dimos la mitad. Pero ahorita que llegue la comida de Darwin, le vamos a sacar.
pa' acá.
Móchese.
A ver, guys, vamos a ver, Vargas, las llaves de la turbo roja, a ver cómo anda jalando.
Ay, me voy.
Ahí está, seats and frame. It's almost time to take off that old suspension.
La clon es la que tienes que darle un pasón. Ni nunca la calaste con el nitro, con un nuevo setup.
Para el que no sabe, viene un Lamborghini la semana que entra a echarnos carreras. Ya saben, la del compita de Extreme Off-Road. Viene una Lamborghini a echarnos carreras.
You said damn old Lamborghini panel wagon?
It's coming.
Damn, son.
Damn, Key, you getting down with this thing, Key.
That's alright, it's getting there.
Holy man.
Couple nails.
Alright, guys, so let's test this truck, see what it's doing. Wash it, y a lo mejor hoy me la llevo. Wait, is there room for the black one to stay here or no?
You take one, yeah.
The Forgiatos? I'm gonna leave that one here and I'm gonna take that one. ¿Vamos, Vali?
A ver, que salga el snake.
¿Estos sí son, güey? ¿Por qué no pita?
Va a servir.
Vale, traemos un pizza de acá. Esto no es, güey.
¿No? Entonces, ¿de cuál es
Mira,
esa?
Vargas, no sé. Esta es de la levantada.
Oh, ya está sonando.
Te vamos a bajar esto de una vez, güey.
You see? Right on the level.
All
But
right.
we need to do the oil change, remember, because we got the passes from the dyno.
Alright. Vamos a ver cómo jala, güey. Sounds better.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Probably have to do another remote too.
Yeah, maybe, yeah.
Gordito, vale. ¿Qué pedo? Güey. Qué mayanta, bien gancho.
Me codió.
A lo mejor. Vamos a ver, vamos a quitar el traction.
Necesitas dejárselo picado 2 veces. Ahí está.
Necesitamos poner un posse.
Yeah.
Mira, güey. Está bien, jala con madre. We just gotta get it dialed in a little bit more and the brakes felt a little weird.
I think we need to do a little, que le hagan remote soon. De las de estas. Déjeme, pues.
¿Que bollanta o qué?
Ya, un poquito. De esos tantes y que quiso quemar.
So 2 steps too high. We gotta lower it down. We gotta lower it down. So we gotta lower the 2 steps down a little bit. Mira la janta, güey.
Déjeme, pues.
¿Lo corremos o qué?
¿Se pondrá acá?
No creo que va a querer. ¡Ay, la verga! Right now it's spinning a lot. It doesn't have a positive diff, so it's kind of acting weird.
Yeah, we need to put some posse and gears.
¿Hace eso porque patina llanta o qué? Ah, ok. Apenas a andar en el freeway, güey.
Yeah.
A unos 60 juntarle a ver qué hace. Damn boy, guys, so this truck is actually working really, really good. I'm gonna go down the street just so we can see what it does, because I feel like when I'm going like 30 or 40, when I step on it, it actually burns some tire and it cuts off, so I gotta see what the hell's wrong with it.
Good, bro.
Which way?
What do you got? Come in it.
It's a stock by 3.
Yeah.
The Batman, a big turbo.
What's the outside, bro? Over here, hit that. Over here.
Damn, está muy trola bien alto, güey.
Trae con madre, güey, saca chico de lumbre. Imagínate la noche, güey.
Yeah.
He definitely gotta work out the bugs, but it's other than that, it's actually working really, really good. Damn, that big ass flame que tira, güey. That's just crazy.
Es que como no da posi, es como le llaman el
Se
límite.
jala de aquel lado, ya es lo que se siente así como que se
Yeah.
I mean, it's probably good for me to drive it, just normal, but like to be stepping on it is not good. We don't want it to go lean and break something. Yeah, guys, so we're gonna get Oscar to give me the computer so we can do the remote tune on this one with Matt Torian. We still have some bugs that we gotta work out on it. We do have a better fuel system. We do have a boost cam now compared to the other setup that we had. It should be doing better than this, so we gotta figure it out. It's all, I think it's on the tune. When we took it to Matt, the air intake wasn't all the way down like it was supposed to, so it was air leaking in. So we might just have to take the truck back over there or see if we can get it removed tuned by Matt. Now I'm gonna drive it like that so I can get it, I guess, not broken in, but I mean, it's drivable. It's a base tune. I can drive it. But once we get all that other stuff put on there, we're gonna go and see exactly how much power it's gonna put down. Because I think the max was like 500 that it put down with this setup right now with the tune that it's got. So pretty sure we can get at least 600 out of it.
But it's 500 on the hook thing.
On the hook end, yeah. Papá de Celaya. ¿Me dieron uno gratis?
Sí.
Que porque la troca está bien perra.
Buenísimo. Dame par.
Of course, guys, we gotta adjust a lot of things on it because the shift points are not where they're supposed to be at. So we're gonna probably have to take it back to Matt and have him do everything and not get the truck back till it's 100%. Because right now it's acting up. Whenever I step on it, it goes, and it's our fault because we didn't have it ready whenever we took it. But we're gonna have to take it back. Get that MS tuning.